What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG channel, sitting here sipping a Red Bull on Mother's Day morning. Happy Mother's Day to all the moto moms out there. A little piece of news today. It's official. Red Bull KTM confirmed their roster just a couple days ago for the 50th anniversary of the Pro Motocross Championship this summer. And it's mostly what we thought it would be, but man, it's been a wild ride up to this point. To start off, Aaron Plessinger and Max Vohland are set to race the full series. They're both returning from injuries from Supercross. Now, Tony Cairoli and Ryan Dungey are set to ride the opening two rounds, but there's a suspicion that if those two rounds go okay, at least Dungey, if not both of them, may continue to run the rest of the series, which I am really hoping for, because I didn't think I'd ever get to see Ryan Dungey race in person again, and he was one of my favorites. I would love to see both these guys race at the same time again. So please, guys, I know you're watching this video, Dungey and Cairoli, please come ride back east so I can watch you guys again. The big news is Cooper Webb announced that he will not be lining up this summer, which we expected. I believe he has a new baby and needs some time to get his head straight, switch up his training regimen, maybe learn the new bike a little more. He's definitely struggled this year. He did switch training programs, and he had a small injury that saw him miss the St. Louis round. He's at the end of his contract with KTM, but he's made a post that they're working it out, and he is likely to come back with KTM for 2023 Supercross. Marvin Muscan, he was in a Supercross only contract, and it's a good chance the racing last night at Salt Lake City may have been the last race we will ever see him in. So we will see what happens there. Now, the bummer was that Jeffrey Hurlings, arguably the fastest guy on the planet right now, may come over and run the series, depending on his injury. He made a post last week that basically said his ankle or his foot is not where it needs to be, and that he's not going to make it to the US this year or even to MXGP. But he did say at the end that he will race the AMA Pro Nationals at some point before he retires. He will be over here to do it. So another guy that I've seen ride in person, I think just once at the Donations at Redbud, that I want to see him ride in person a few more times as well. So yeah, the KTM Red Bull factory racing team roster is announced, and the 12-round series kicks off later this month in Paula, California. And yeah, we're pretty pumped, guys. I hope AP is up to speed, and it's just been a weird year for the KTM team, hasn't it? So, all right, guys, just a little bit of news there. Go Red Bull KTM, one of my favorite team in the pits for sure. And there's going to be some big KTM news this week. The 2023 models are going to be announced here in about 48 hours. So stay tuned by the channel. I appreciate every one of you guys. I'll see you in the next video.